Hello, my name is David Mann. At Mann Law Firm, we understand that family law matters can be emotionally and financially difficult. We are experienced in helping you through these difficult times. And although every case is different, you have selected the Divorce Process in Nevada video, in which I will provide some general information. Well, the first step in the divorce process starts by deciding whether you and your spouse agree. There are two different ways to get a divorce in Nevada, depending on whether the parties agree on issues such as property, debts, child support, and child custody. You can get a contested divorce, and that's pursued when the parties do not agree on the issues. A contested divorce begins with one party filing a complaint for divorce. Now, an uncontested divorce is pursued when the parties do agree on the issues, and that begins with the parties filing a joint petition. Secondly, if you agree on all issues, the divorce process becomes much more simple. The joint petition lays out the agreement between the divorcing parties. After the joint petition is filed with the court, there are other documents to complete, such as the affidavit of resident witness, and finally a decree of divorce. The decree of divorce is the document that the judge signs to complete the divorce, and the divorce is finalized once the judge signs that document. Third, if you do not agree, the divorce process becomes more complicated. A contested divorce begins when the plaintiff files a complaint for divorce. That's followed by a motion for temporary orders, where the movant, the party that makes and files the motion, asks the judge for a ruling in the plaintiff's favor based on the items in the motion. A motion hearing will be set after the motion is filed. Now, the defendant gets to respond to all of the documents a plaintiff files with their own documents. This allows the defendant to tell their side of the story. The contested divorce process is as diverse as the parties involved. At the motion hearing, the judge can make a final ruling on many issues, can close the case, can send the parties to an evidentiary hearing. It all depends on the particular facts and procedural posture of that case. Now, how do you know if you can get a divorce in Nevada? Well, a person can obtain a divorce in Nevada if they have grounds for divorce and they've lived here for 6 weeks prior to filing. What are the grounds? Well, the Nevada Revised Statutes list 3 statutory grounds for divorce: incompatibility, insanity for 2 years prior to the action, or the spouses have lived separate apart for more than 1 year. So finally, is the divorce process the same for everyone? Well, the divorce process itself is the same, but each person's case can take a different path through that process. Family law matters can be very difficult. After all, it may involve your children, your money, and your property. You need an experienced attorney to fight for you. So call me now to schedule your free consultation.